Hi, bro. Long time, huh?
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah.
You're here now?
Yeah.
Ah.
You know, all those time we are chatting.
Yes.
My job, they just stopped me
Ah.
from the job.
And
Without
all,
reason, so
luckily you have.
yeah.
So your accommodation also here?
Yeah.
Back?
Yeah.
And okay, no? As long as you are surviving. Now it's difficult, no?
Oh, sure.
Good, no? Check the price. How much na in the market? It's around 50-60 BD. Thank you, bro.
So
If something, I will let you know.
okay.
Thank you.